up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Tomorrow we're going to New York for like 8 days. It's Comic-Con and Tron has been trying to get back to New York. He used to live in New York for like 5 years. He's been trying to get back to New York for the longest, but you know, COVID hit and all this stuff. So we're going to Comic-Con, and then also it is my birthday. I was like, you know what, like we might as well go out there and just, you know, stay for a while. And then plus my grandpa lives there. Yeah, so just making a little trip. And I've only been to New York once, and when I went, it was only for a few days, so I didn't get to like really like enjoy and experience New York. When I say I'm gonna be eating, probably gonna come back like a cool 10 pounds heavier, okay? Because we are gonna eat and eat. There is zero restrictions. I'm taking my dairy pills, I'm taking all of that because it's the food. I want the food. So today I wanna make sure, like I don't wanna be stressed and rushing, you know? And I haven't been on a trip in a while to where I need to pack. Definitely deep cleaning. I wanna wash my sheets. I'm gonna wash all our clothes. Make sure the refrigerator, everything is cleaned out. Like I just want to do a deep clean on my place and then pack and pick out outfits. Kind of take you along throughout the day. I'm just gonna have some eggs. I made some roasted potatoes, which you guys can see in my last full day of eating. I'm just gonna have some turkey bacon and some eggs. I got the turkey bacon going. Let's pull up these sheets, because I need to make sure I'm coming home to clean sheets, you know? And plus there's chocolate all in my bed because Tehran loves to bring his Snickers in here, and I don't know how it gets all over the sheets. Like, why is there chocolate down here? Like, at the bottom of the bed. When it comes to cleaning, deep cleaning your place, always start with the sheets first. I'm just multitasking, right? While my food cooks, I'm just picking up things and putting it away. That way make it easier to clean up when I'm done. Got my breakfast here, just got my 2 eggs, leftover potatoes, some turkey bacon, and then I got a little small cup of fruit. We eat this and then, I don't know. Got a lot of stuff. I need to make a list. That's what I do. I need to make a list of things I need to do today. Got the fresh sheets. Now while I make this bed, let's get into the sponsor of today's video, who you guys should be very familiar with at this point, Bear Mattress. I've been working with them for almost a year now, and I just love this company and I love these mattresses. Now for those of you who are new here, Bear Mattress is a mattress company. They produce premium quality mattresses intended to improve the overall quality of your sleep. With all of us having different sleep preferences, Bear Mattress makes finding the best mattress for your needs very simple. You can head directly over to their website where you can take a quick quiz. This quiz will ask you questions about yourself, like your age, your weight, if you struggle with any pains, what's your sleep position, all of that, and it'll match you with the best mattress for you. Delivery is super convenient with your mattresses being delivered right to your front door, and they're super easy to pop open and set up. We've had our mattress in the primary bedroom for about 11 months. Then we also got a second mattress for our guest room. I have the Hybrid Elite mattress, which ended up working best for me and Tehran, as we are both back sleepers and side sleepers. In our main bedroom, we have the medium, and in our guest bedroom, we have the firm. I personally, after testing out both, prefer the medium. It still has some firmness in it to support my back, but it's still super plushy and just like comfortable. Also, with us being very hot sleepers, this was the best mattress. It's made with 3 premium foams, so it's designed to remove and push away unwanted body heat. Obviously, with being on my channel, you guys know I'm big into the health and wellness space, and sleep is a major factor when it comes to your health and recovery. So investing in a quality mattress is very important. All right, so you guys know I got a discount code, which I will put on the screen as well as list in the description box. But for the month of October, if you click directly through my link, you get 40% off. 40% off. Now, if you use the discount code, I believe that's only 25% off. So make sure if you shop Bear Mattress to click the link in the description box. The link. Okay, but you can continue to use obviously my regular discount code. Thank you again, Bear Mattress, for sponsoring today's video, and let's continue on with this trip prep. I'm done with cleaning for the most part. I do need to just like straighten up my office a little bit, as well as my bathroom. Those are like quick, easy things. So I still gotta get my workout in. We're gonna go and hit the trail and just walk for maybe like an hour. Back, make some lunch, and then continue on. I'll do my nails, and then we're gonna pack. So I switched to my little vlogging camera just because I don't want to take my big camera with me, but it's pretty dark. Like, it's super overcast right now, so it's a lot darker than it normally would be. So I'm gonna walk as much as I can. There's still a lot of people out walking this trail, so I'll pretty much walk until it starts to clear up, because you know, I'm a woman. I'm not trying to be out here by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I am gonna wear headphones, but just because this park is different than the other park I go to. The other one I go to, I don't wear headphones at all, so I can be like on alert. This one, it's a little bit different. Like, I'm okay, but still keep the volume down really low. And yeah, let's go get these steps in. Back from my walk, showered, cleaned up, and we're gonna have leftovers. I'm making a shrimp bowl. If you want this recipe, go ahead and check out my last full day of eating. It's on there. Doing my own gelx, and one, it's amazing. It's amazing, but it does take me a long time. It takes me a very long time to do. But with practice, I'm sure it'll get better. I'll get quicker. It'll be like 4 hours later. Rice. Can I add some lettuce? More veggies, carrots. I got my cucumbers here. So I got that video for the recipe, especially on these cucumbers. Like, top it off. Now I'm just gonna have this with water. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna finish with this trip prep. So I'm not gonna really walk you guys through this process because I'm still learning how to do these nails, but I will list all the products that I'm using or that I use. And these are things that, you know, I came across on TikTok. So I just watched a lot of TikTok videos on how to do my nails. Right now, this is just a bowl of like super hot water. And then in this Ziploc bag, I'm gonna put in some cotton pads because trick for you, if you have any type of gel, gelx, just gel nail polish, and you need to soak them off, fill out a bag like this and put the 100% acetone in there, and then really, really hot water, put your fingers in there, and then put it in the water. And I feel like the heat just kind of like helps it, like it speeds up the process.